What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Casey's Garage. So we're gonna give this Mustang a little wash, and we're gonna work on the body a little bit and get some of these dents out. There's a few door dings that are quite large. Instead of doing a bunch of body filler, I want to use a paintless dent repair kit that I purchased off Amazon, and we'll see how it works. But before we get to that, we gotta wash the sucker down, get it clean, and then we'll go around and get these dents out. And we got Chocolate Lover here. She's gonna be helping out again today, so let's get started. Alright, so Chocolate Lover finishes up rinsing off the car, getting all the soap off. I'm going to grab a chamois and go ahead and start drying it off, and then we'll get our kit out and try to get these dents out of it. Alright, so I think Chocolate Lover did a good job. Looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and walk around and see if I can show you what where the dents are we're going to be working on. Again, I could just use body filler and fill this in since I'm going to repaint it anyway, but I wanted to use this paintless dent repair on my other car, so I figured I'd give it a try first. And hard to see on the screen, on the camera, but there's one pretty good crease right here, which really I think is going to come out pretty easily. If I remember right. I thought there was a dent over here, but maybe there's not. Of course, we got a paint chip here we're going to fix. Well, heck, that might be the only dent that's really big enough that's I'm concerned about. And there's a little, not much of one there. I'm not going to worry about that. We got one little ding right here, which I may just use filler on that because it's already kind of filled in some touch-up paint. One little ding there. Other than that, the other trouble area, which is why we're going to probably paint this whole car, is this back bumper. Scuffed up pretty bad where something ran into it or backed up into something. Walking around, and when they backed up something, it pushed this out of the clip. So when I pull this bumper off, I'm going to check, make sure the clips aren't broken. Alright guys, so here is the dent repair kit that I bought off Amazon. I believe it's a 64-piece kit. It's got a puller. The one I'm going to probably use on this dent here is what they call a bridge. So I'll probably use that one first to see how it works. Came with some glue sticks, glue gun, a hammer, a rag, of course the tabs that put the glue on. So we're going to try this out and see if this works or not. Okay, so first step here, Chocolate Lover is going to spray the area we're working on with some alcohol, and to get it all cleaned up, make sure there's no dirt or contaminants on it. Go ahead and spray it and wipe it down. Watch your eyes. There you go, and just rub that real good. We're going to set this on the hood here. Looks pretty good. All right, perfect. All right, guys, so we're gonna put a little glue. It says to start in the middle first. Oops. This right there. Then it says to let this sit for about 3 minutes so it can harden up. Cord. Alright, so now we'll put this in place, and supposedly what you do is you just screw this down, and then it starts pulling on this that we glued onto the car, and it pulls the dent out, in theory. Alright. Think it'll work?
No.
Actually, I do see the dent coming out. Hopefully it's not creating other dents with it.
Oh, it's coming off.
Is it coming off? Good. That's what it's supposed to do. So now we spray this with alcohol. Where's that rag at? Up there? Okay. And more alcohol. All right, second round here. Then put that right there. All right, let that sit for a couple minutes. Guys, the dent's still there, not as big, so we'll go another round on this and see what it looks like. The camera will pick this up. But right here is the dent I'm working on. So I'll go ahead and put the stick back on there and try it again. Give you guys a better look. I don't know if you can see it flexing or not. It's a slow process for sure. But get the glue back off and see what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to try a little different tool. This one seems more serious, so we'll try it. Kind of works the same way, but we'll see if we can get a better pull on that dent. Alright, round 2 on the big orange scary looking thing. Here we go. Guys, this dent is almost gone. You can still see where it's at. It is a lot smaller than when we started, so the dent removal kit is working. It's just taking a long time, as expected. Still got a dent. That's our last attempt here. We want to clean up and head inside before it gets dark. Alright guys, so that dent is barely noticeable. So took a little time, and I may do a couple more pulls on it later, but that looks a heck of a lot better than it did before we started. And unless you're looking for it, you're not really going to see it. So you might be wondering why I'm even messing with it instead of just sanding it down and using body filler. I decided to just paint the panels on the front, the hood, bumper, and fenders I replaced, and to repaint the back bumper where there's that large scuff, and to see how well it blends in, because with the glossy black I'm thinking it'll be hardly noticeable of any mismatched paint. And the rest of the car looks pretty good, so I'd hate to sand the good paint away, because almost all the scratches on the car are surface scratches, which I think will buff out. So I think I've decided just to paint the front and that back bumper and then see how it looks, and then if it looks bad I can paint the rest of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaned up, and we'll continue on this later. And thanks for watching Casey's Garage, and we'll see you the next episode.